recording. I don't know the camera quality, yeah, I don't know the quality yet, but I'm very excited. I'll have to blur some of this stuff out. Very excited. I got my first M12 Milwaukee tool. I got the Stubby, the battery. It's a promotion, you get a free battery right now. But I got the M12 Stubby 1/2-inch kit. Impact wrench, I should say. Don't have my knife on me. I got all my other tools. Oh, it comes in its bag. Very nice. Probably won't be using this bag very much, but it's a very nice bag. Good quality. It's heavy. It's got 2 batteries. Oh, it has little straps in it too. Nice. Dang, this is a lot smaller than I expected. That's nice though. Look at that. Oh, I want to put a battery in here and just... Ooh, feels good. Ooh, that trigger. Very nice. Got your settings. I'm gonna put a battery in here really quickly, see if it works. Running short on time. Ooh, lights coming on already. Ooh, that feels nice. I think that means the battery's not too good. I think that might be automatic. I don't know. I'll do a better review later. Yeah, you can feel the difference. Very nice. I don't know if I just did that, but it looks a little scuffed or brown. I feel like that's gotta have been from factory. Very nice feeling. I gotta go.